Hi. Good morning, Nola. Hi, sweet girl. She's a good girl. What are you doing? You love pets, huh? Where are you going? Where are you going? You want to go outside? You want to go outside? Everybody else is out there. Here you go, sweetie. Here she is. She wants to be with her siblings. Oops, sorry. Hi, Cashew. Hi, Cashew. That's my sweet baby girl. Hi, Nola. Stormy. Jonesy. Jonesy, what's up, buddy? He's so handsome. Hi, boo-boo. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be planting my cut flower space, which is also Berry Hill. So I'm going to be getting zinnias in and any other cut flower. Well, let me not overextend myself. I am going to commit to doing the zinnias today. And if I get to anything else, then I'll do that. So I'm trying to plant things by height and have the tallest in the back going down. So I have to double check that my zinnias are going to be the next tallest or next shortest thing after the dahlias. But anyways, I'm definitely gonna plant them today. They need to get in the ground. They're ready to go. There are a lot of them. And then what I also like to do, at least for zinnias, is I start some indoors, but then I also start some from seed because it just adds to more fullness. And that's what I like. I want tons of zinnias, tons of fullness. Oop, my tripod fell. Anyways, I just want that bed to be full and beautiful. So let's go ahead and get started. So here's a tray of zinnias. There's a tray of zinnias. There's a tray of zinnias. Oh, and these ones are getting ready to flower. How beautiful. There's more. So here are some zinnias up here. These zinnias here are for a job. So I don't think I'll be, well, I don't know if I'll plant these ones today. But then I have those. And then I also have, let me see, some dahlias from seed that I need to get planted. But I think that's it for the zinnias. So they're getting so big and some of them don't look super great. So I'm gonna get these guys in the ground today. So we've got 3 trays. I'm just gonna work and then do a voiceover during. There's a lot of traffic at this time of day. So yeah, gotta do it that way. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get started. Hey guys, so that is it. I managed to get one full tray planted. I don't think I realized how many zinnia seeds that I sowed. It was a lot, and I have 2 full trays of zinnias that I need to get someplace. So it'll be probably well, it's obviously going to be a 2-part video because I am done for now. I'm tired, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go take care of that and then maybe handle some zinnias later on. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.